Soil is crucial for the land, just as tiles are for houses. It takes years for a small plant to grow into a large tree, nourished by the soil. Tiles are not merely decorative, but also represent a blend of design and religious significance. Each tile is unique, just like every individual. Our tiles are designed to help you achieve your dreams, as they hold the power to shape your paths and destinies. These principles form the core of our values. Our company was established in 2008, and we have since grown into a global competitor. As we expanded our production scale, our daily capacity also increased, reaching 35,000 square meters for floor tiles and 14,500 square meters for wall tiles. To manage such a vast operation, we've had to consistently adopt cutting-edge technology. In this new era of innovation, our success has hinged on our ability to continually adapt and evolve. This mindset has led us to create over 3,000 tile designs, driven by a customer-centric approach that fosters both creativity and innovation. We believe that when you put this approach into action, you can achieve remarkable results. We are situated in Morbi, Bharat's largest tile production zone. As the leading manufacturer and exporter of exceptional quality tiles, granite and ceramic-related products, we pride ourselves on our unique product range that can outshine any competition. Our primary goal is to continuously innovate and introduce novel offerings to the market. Today, we have elevated wall tiles through innovative product designs and advanced manufacturing processes, solidifying our market position. Our wall tiles come in three sizes: 300 x 600 mm, 300 x 450 mm, and 250 x 750 mm. The high-quality materials and exceptional service we provide enhance the value of our products. While numerous options are available in the market, we stand out by always delivering top-notch quality to our customers. Our unwavering commitment to excellence sets us apart as a leading brand in the industry, allowing us to confidently tackle any competition. We humans are exceptional thinkers with no limits to our imagination. Often, to transform our ideas into action, we rely on machines and technology. We embrace this approach by incorporating some of the finest machines from Spain, Italy, and China. Our digitally designed wall and floor tiles not only add value in today's AI-driven world, but also convey a vision and a futuristic perspective. We embody the future in the present, working diligently towards our vision. We produce GVT, PGVT, full body and color body tiles in 6 sizes: 600 x 1200 mm, 800 x 800 mm, 800 x 1600 mm, 1200 x 1200 mm, 1200 x 1800 mm, and 600 x 600 mm. Our made in Bharat products are not only popular here, but also have a strong presence in international markets. Currently, we export our products to more than 50 countries like Vietnam, South Korea, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Panama, Colombia, Peru, Iraq, Oman, Kuwait, Australia, London, Poland, Italy, Netherlands, etc. As Bharat continues to progress, our homegrown companies are spearheading this development and enhancing our country's global reputation. To ensure the strength of any building, a solid foundation is crucial. That's why we developed our unique product, Orinda Adhesive. This adhesive can effortlessly bond various types of tiles and natural stones, providing long-lasting durability without harmful chemicals. Orinda Adhesive is available in a range of options including block adhesive, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond adhesive, each with different size options to cater to your specific needs. Our journey doesn't stop here, as continuous innovation is our primary goal. For this reason, we have developed probiotic cleaning products, floor cleaners, and kitchen stain removers. These biodegradable, chemical-free products are plant-based and possess germ-fighting capabilities. Moreover, they are safe to use around pets and children. With these products, You can trust in the safety of your pets and children while maintaining a healthy home environment. Our journey has been truly remarkable as our products continue to enrich people's lives. We take pride in offering safe and eco-friendly products which have solidified Orinda Group's reputation throughout the country. With your unwavering support, our products are now a staple in households nationwide. It warms our hearts to know that you remain by our side as we continue to grow and thrive together. Orinda, enriching lifestyle.